Hi guys, welcome to How To, and today I'll be going to show you how to animate. So many of you guys want to animate using stick figures and want to upload some YouTube on something on YouTube. So I have this app called Private Animator, which will allow you to animate stick figures. So it's just a basic animator. It uses frames and it's really simple. So let's just get started. So on the screen right here, you have this part right here. Like you see this white part and there's some gray part. So the white part is the basic screen. So here you have your stick figure. You can move him or do anything. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add frame right here. If you can see my mouse, it's right at the left edge. So you're gonna add two of those. Not gonna wanna go too fast. Then I'm just gonna do the basic one. So like you add two so that it doesn't go fast. Now look. Now if I play it, his hand is just moving because I've put it on loop. But if I don't put it on loop, it's just gonna move really quick. So what you're gonna do is you wanna keep it on loop and then just play it and see if you want that to be there. And then just stop it. And then on frame 5, you can add his hand like he's waving at you. So you wanna move it step by step. Just like that. So you see these gray things, these are the position that was there before so that you can adjust with your positions of the stick figure. It's really easy. And now you want to go down so the wave will be completed. Just like that. And I'm done. So this was the basic wave. So let's just play it and see. Look, he's just waving at you. If you put it at loop, it's gonna just keep on going up and down. That doesn't look good, right? So after stopping, you can make him make his leg. So you can make his leg moves, his feet move. Like this is for the feet, this is for the leg, this is for the arms. This is for its neck and bend. This is for its face. Just like that. It's really simple. You can animate as much as you want. So now you might be wondering, what? This is only stick figures. I wanted more. Yeah, you have more. You can add more stick figures by just clicking on that, and voila. So many of those guys. That's like a cloning machine. So I'm just gonna separate them all. Just like that. So let me just Control Z. So right there. So I'm just gonna make a new one and teach you how to add figure. Wait a minute. No saving this one. So I'm on a new one now. And to add any figure except for a stick figure, what you wanna do is you wanna go to this top left corner. There'll be a file, and then you wanna scroll down here, and you wanna click on load figure type. So or you can even hit Control F on your keyboard. Just click on it, and now you have many of these guys. So you can see a clock, a cowboy, a default pivot, an elephant, a horse, a ladder, a man evolved, a man rotate, and a realistic man. So I'm just gonna add this elephant right here, open. Now you see this elephant. This yellow dot is for moving it, okay? Now, so these are like some tools. So imagine if you want your elephant to see towards the human, but not from here, but from your left. So you can just press this button, this blue button on the tools bar, which is on the left edge. And this is gonna just flip it. This is gonna center it. And this button is gonna delete it, which you don't want to happen. I'm just gonna click no. Wait, what? Okay. And this one is edited. So like you can edit its lines, you can add some lines to him and make him a better figure, which I'm not gonna do right here. So these are all the different components you can try. So I'm just gonna make a movie right here. Add frame. I'm gonna do 4. Then I'm gonna make this guy fly a little bit, like jump. Then make him a little bit bended to that side. And twist both of his legs so that he's facing there. And then he's gonna fly there. And he's gonna go. Wait, let me add 2 frames right there. Because he's gone more up. And then he's gonna do this. Just like that. And like that. And this one. So this is the simple one where the man flies and goes to the elephant to sit on him, like literally. And then you can just make his leg get stick to the elephant. And then make his waist turn like that. And he's done. And now if you move the elephant, both of the figures don't move. I don't know why. Even though this figure is attached to him. Add 2 frames. Now let's try playing it. So look at it. The man flies to the elephant and comes back to the middle. So I'm gonna stop. Add many frames right here so that people can see it. Because this goes really fast. Like each frame plays for around like half a second, 0.5 seconds, or even 1 second. So this is really simple. You can try it out at home. I'm gonna send the link in the description, download it from there. And it's really simple. Thank you and goodbye.